Audiobooks are freaking expensive, and based on the book they vary in price so much. That's why today I'm going to share with you the top secrets that Amazon don't want you to know about how you can get cheap Audible subscriptions and books, and hopefully save yourself some money. Hi, it's Kelly here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I really encourage you to stick around, join the community by hitting that big red subscribe button down below for new planning and productivity videos every single week. Okay, so I very recently created a video all about Audible, giving you guys information about what it is, how the credit system works, and what you need to know to get started with Audible, and also a little bit about whether it's actually worth the money. So if you haven't seen that video already, I really highly recommend you go and check it out after this one so you can get all the information about Audible. I will put a little card up above and a link in the description box below. Audible itself is not cheap. The subscription costs $7.99 a month, and that 4 weeks rolls around very quickly, giving you just one credit every single month. So I want to give you guys my top tips and secrets for saving money using Audible. My first tip is cashback websites. Now, cashback websites have been my absolute savior during my online shopping in lockdown addiction. They're a really great way to actually earn money back whenever you're buying a lot of stuff online, and Audible is absolutely no exception. If you've never used a cashback website before, here's how it works. Basically, you will go onto the cashback website, you will sign up, create your account, and then when you go to shop online, you go through the website, search for the shop that you want to go on to, click the link within the cashback website to go to the website, make a purchase through that link, and then you get the cashback. Now, one of my top recommendations for getting cashback on Audible is a website called Quidco. So personally, I use Quidco all the time. I find it amazing for helping me get good cashback amounts. Even things like insurance. Guys, if you're gonna buy car insurance, home insurance, all that stuff, honestly, Quidco. But anyway, at the time of filming this video, an Audible membership bought through Quidco is currently offering £5.60 in cashback. Now, this is if you are new to Audible, so you need to make sure that you are a new member or you're signing up with a new email address, but you still do get your 30-day free trial with that. So I think that's a really good deal. Essentially, you're getting 2 months of Audible for £2.39. But we can do better than that. Another website I often use is Top Cashback. And at the time of filming this, they are currently offering £12.70 of cashback for a full membership, or £7.26 when you sign up for a free trial. A free trial. Basically, you could take out a free trial, cancel it after 30 days, and you've earned £7.26. And there is also a current special offer on the Top Cashback website at the time that I'm filming this video, and that offers 50% off for 3 months. Now, obviously, all of these are just at this specific time, but they are always doing deals like this. They are always adding cashback amounts and varying them, so make sure you go and check on those websites for what the latest figures are. Now, a quick disclaimer about these cashback websites: if you have not used them ever, they do take a while for that cashback to come through. So it's not that you will purchase it straight away and get the cashback. You will buy through the link, and then it will take a while for the cashback site to actually check that with the retailer, make sure it's a real purchase, and make sure that you haven't just bought it and then refunded it straight away. And then depending on the retailer, you usually get that cashback in your account between 1 month and about 3 months. Okay, so cashback websites, my number one secret, they are amazing. Go and try them. Okay, so my next Audible tip, trick, or secret, or whatever you want to call it, is the buy 3 credit button. So I was randomly on the Audible website recently, and I don't know, I just looked in the top right corner and saw this buy 3 credit icon, which I had never seen before. What this basically allows you to do is buy 3 credits for £18. So that's £6 per credit. And as a quick reminder, if you haven't seen my other video, 1 credit buys you 1 book of any price. So you've got 1 credit a month on Audible, and you can buy any book with that. You can get 3 credits for £18, buy them on spot, and you have 3 credits in your account. Now, why would you want to pay £18 for 3 credits? Well, stick with me here because I know when this would be super helpful. Let's say you've used your 1 credit for the month and you've either already listened to your audiobook, or you actually just want another one that you can listen to as well. Instead of actually going into Audible and having to buy another book, which in some cases can cost a hefty amount of money, I know a lot of the books that I tend to read, which are sort of personal development books, can cost over £10 in a lot of instances. You could get another book for just £6. Then you're also going to have those extra extra credits that you can take forward, roll over, keep in your account, and then the next time you want to buy another book, you can just buy it and you're not worried about having to spend the money on one more. And £6 for an audiobook on Amazon is actually decent. Sounds like a lot, but actually it's not a bad price. So next time, instead of actually buying another book on Audible, if the books that you're looking at are very expensive, please consider the buy 3 extra credits function. And if you guys are finding this video helpful so far, please do make sure you give it a huge thumbs up down below. Okay, so my third and final tip, which I definitely did not do whenever I was starting out on Audible, and I wish I had, is to keep an eye on the sales. Now, again, I know this seems obvious, however, with Audible on the app, they don't really tell you that they're having these sales, so you have to keep an eye on the website. But if you do, Audible can actually provide some really good deals when they have a sale on, and they usually always have some kind of sale going on at any given time of the month. So at the minute, for example, they have a £3 sale where I managed to pick up a book that I'd wanted to read for ages for just £3. Now, like I've already said, there is so much variation in the price of audiobooks on Audible. There really is just so many different prices out there for these audiobooks that sometimes you kind of don't really know if it's a good price or not a good price. But what I'm saying to you is think strategically about how you're using your 1 credit a month. Your 1 credit is costing you $7.99. Buy a book that costs more than $7.99. Buy the most expensive book in your wish list. Use your 1 credit wisely and then buy other books in the sale or using the extra 3 credit function. Think really strategically about how you use your credit and you can actually save yourself so much money. But like I said, make sure you check the website. Keep going on the website and refresh it every time there's a new sale coming up so that you can get the books whenever they're in the sale. The Audible app, as far as I can tell, definitely does not give you any hints that there is a sale on. It kind of just lets you buy any book for your 1 credit. So make sure that you check the website, look at sales, and you can save so much money. So that was a very quick rundown of the Audible secrets to help save you money on Audible. Let me know down in the comments if you've done any of these before, used any of these before, or if any of these are completely new to you. Make sure that you hit that big red button down below to subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Okay, so my next Audible secret, tip, treat, treat? Yep. And then you usually get the money with depending on the retailer, you usually get the money with